again that anxiety started. This is what happens when you don't ride much. It's been proper exactly 5 months since I've ridden, and once again it feels new. Previously last year I did a lot of rides. Even if we had like a huge ride like going from Hyderabad to Ladakh and all that anxiety was not there. But this is like first day of gym once again. Again that anxiety is there. I don't know how I'm gonna sleep because our plan is to reach Bangalore before lunch. Hopefully we're gonna do that. Time is already 10:30. Plan was to sleep at a beautiful 8:30, which is obviously not happening. Chalo, let's fix this visor and I'll try to get some sleep. Wake up by 3:30 a.m. and engines will definitely start by 4. See you in the morning in 3, 2. Alright, excuse me for the low voice. Once I sit on the bike, I'll properly talk. Now time is literally 3:30 a.m. This is the first time we're gonna start a ride at this hour. Today is gonna be day 1 and we're planning to reach Bangalore by... Motion sensor, please. I want light. Arey yaar. We're planning to reach Bangalore by at least 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Hopefully, if everything goes well, we should reach on time. Yeah, other than that, everything is good. Climate is beautiful. 16 or 17 degrees right now, 3:30 a.m. It's like the peak low. Arey yaar. Okay, I'll use my own light like this. 18 degrees right now, which is amazing, beautiful temperature to ride. I just need to mount the tank bag. Anything else? Oh yes. Very, very important, Indian insurance. Already tied the Indian insurance over here. Apart from that, we'll have to toxify this. We need to crush these lemons. I think nothing else. I'm feeling really positive about this ride. Obviously, you'll feel positive. You're riding after almost 6 months. Perfect. Chalo, bahut ho gaya. Car drives and all that. Now we need to hit the 4-lane highways on the BMW. Today's plan is to hit Bangalore. And one more thing. You see these things? These are Clearwater lights covers. So to quickly tell you about the lights I have on the bike, I'm already actually getting late, but let me quickly finish this. These are the Savinas, Clearwater Savinas, one of the best lights on the planet, hands down. You can see these small ones. These are the Clearwater Darlas. Actually, these are more than enough, but if you want a next level Pro Max and all that, you can go with this. For now, I put a cover for this, but for this I did not. So let's cover it for extra protection. Pretty expensive lights, you know. So not only you have a transparent cover like this, transparent glass, you also get one more glass which I'm not using right now. The yellow glass that's used for fog riding. I'm pretty sure there'll be fog on the highway, but I think they should handle. And oh yes, I need to close this. Actually opened it last night to clean the lens. Perfect. Let's roll. Top box, tank bag. Yes, this time I made sure I took a pledge. I'll take only 2 things for luggage: tank bag and top box. Literally, I packed the top box so full that if I open it by mistake, everything will blast out of it. Let's do some Indian insurance and get out. Oh my god, it's been so long to do all this year. Feels so good and positive. I'll show you one interesting fact about BMW's RPM meter. You see this red line here? Red lining is at 5,500 RPM right now. As the bike gets hot, as it gets warmer, slowly the red line slowly moves to 8.5k. Interesting, right? Let me park the bike here. Oh, wow, it's really, really good. By the way, is the fan coming in the way of the frame of the GoPro? No, right? Tire pressure does not set match point. Stop immediately. Check tire pressure. Array. Oh my god, so many dodges. What dodges? Don't attack me, dodges. Oh my god, I can see a lot of dogs. Please don't attack me, dude. Is my phone? Array, shit, yaar. I think I forgot my phone. Shit. Hey, I know where I put it. I put it on the table. What the fish, yaar? understand. It's very intimidating. Don't do that. Don't do that, Amma. Don't do that. Don't do that. Cuties, don't do that. No, 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 no. Hey, yaar. Seriously, dude. Okay, one more dog left to base, and they are ready. No, 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 yaar. Kya yaar? What is this? Okay, here at Panjagutta right now. I'll not say it. You people can guess it, right? 4:20. I am not late. I'll not say it now. Okay. Partly there is my mistake also, because before starting I said I'll call them, but I did not. But still, that is not the reason. Actually, Shiva called me. He said I'll start in 10 minutes. I said okay. But it's been more than half an hour. He still didn't start. 4 o'clock our rides are like this only. In fact, we thought we'll start at 3 a.m. I mean, engines will be started at 3 a.m. I said okay, because I know it's not going to happen anyway. So first I'll stop for fuel. I don't need it. When we have 135 kilometers and literally the fuel inside the bike is literally from Ladakh. Not Ladakh. I think Manali se when we were coming to Delhi, that time I fueled it up. After that, we didn't put fuel at all. Even the air, I filled it there somewhere. You remember the puncture, right? Rear tire ka huge nail ka puncture. Uske baad till now nothing. Only shows you'll get fuel early in the mornings like 24/7, but air somehow you don't find it so easily. Let's check it on the highway. Okay, right now when I use my beam, even the clear water lights, not at full intensity, but they'll light up a little bit. I think 40% or something like that. All the clear water lights. See, this is high beam with 40% clear water lights, and this is without. Actually, this is not the right place to do it. There's too much of light here. First a fuel break after a long time. हवा बंद है? फुल टैंक कर दो भाई. नहीं नॉर्मल डाल दो. हाँ नॉर्मल डाल दो. पावर इधर मिलेगा, बाद में नहीं मिलेगा. कार्ड है ना? 108.
इसको माइलेज कितना था?
20 तक आएगा. 20-25 हाईवे पे. 2500. Okay, this is the meeting point somewhere over the next outer ring road. This is the first one. I think they should be somewhere over here if they are first. But yeah, finally it feels so good to see that board, Bengaluru NH44 straight. Left if you go towards the airport. I should be a little bit vigilant from here. Actually, I'll switch on the Sena mesh intercom so that I connect to them automatically when they are somewhere around half a kilometer. I can hear you. I can hear you. What's up, people? Hey, don't stop. Pony. Ain't it full? 20%. You want full? Okay, Shiva wants to check my clear water lights. Okay, this is Super Sevina. Full ಇದೆ. Hey, what's up, bro? Okay, finally Surya Mahadev is coming out. Looks so beautiful. Right now temperature is a beautiful 17 degrees. Feeling a little bit chilly, but yes, we have heated grip, so not an issue. I switched it off right now, but abhi tak I couldn't find any air. This is the problem, you know. Morning somehow petrol bunks are open, but they'll not open the puncture stops. And I was so seriously missing all these views, proper highway views with the dash. I think I'll give you a proper ride update once we stop. We're planning to stop in the next maybe half an hour, 20 minutes, half an hour. We definitely need one coffee break. I had coffee at home, but still, obviously, it's 6 o'clock. We've been riding for the last 2 hours. And I'm definitely, truly, genuinely from the heart enjoying the bike today. I really missed all this. The best part about giving a ride update from a BMW is you have all the information ready. 2 hours 50 minutes we finished. Almost 3 hours చేసినామా ride. And then 240 kilometers. అన్న జర ఎంక్వైరీ నడుస్తుంది అక్కడ జర చెప్పవా? Bike inquiry going on. Anyways, we finished 240 kilometers. Oh, I just finished 4,800 kilometers on this bike. Very cheap. Shiva finished 15,000 kilometers. We'll also get there soon. 17.2 kilometers per liter. Very bad. We have 130 bhp, so no problem. But good. We finished 240 kilometers in 2 hours 50 minutes. We stopped for a chai break. Feels so nice to say all this after a long time. Air pressure. Oh yes, you see this blinker here? It is asking me to fill air. Rate I should have somewhere around 42. We have 28. I was just saying it's so nice to give updates like this after a long time. Almost after 6 months I'm giving such updates. I thought it's gonna be more cold and more foggy, but it's fine. It's normal. 19 degrees. Heated grips ankuna, climb jacket ankuna, picha light. Bengaluru is just 300 kilometers.
Check tire pressure and
Immediately, na?
immediately.
Air pressure doesn't match set point. Stop immediately. Check tire pressure.
Enduro.
350, we already reached Kurnool. We crossed Kurnool and I was telling Shiva, let's stop at Food Pyramid. He was like, 100 kilometers पीछे गया वो. We still did not have breakfast, still searching for it. I think after Kurnool it is a little bit difficult to find proper breakfast places, but I'm not sure now because it seems Shiva was telling me a lot of new places have opened, but our favorite breakfast places we already crossed them early in the morning, so most probably we'll try to stop in the next. I mean, we need to find a place first. We want to stop immediately actually because I started feeling a little bit hungry right now. And oh yes, a beautiful sunrise is there right now. This is our situation. I'm appreciating this basic sunrise that much. I mean, it is beautiful, but come on yaar. Also just now fueled up along with my friends. But yeah, main thing I need is air. I'm not able to find air anywhere. I think after 9 o'clock only I'll find it. Abhita feels nostalgic once again. For the new subscribers, I'll have to tell you, my first ride ever was on a Benelli 600i, and from Hyderabad I did Bengaluru. Literally there was no tank bag, no top box, no panniers, nothing. Literally I took a backpack, I wore it and I rode like 500 kilometers plus. I was enjoying the ride, but then my butt was aching next level. That too on the 600i. I mean, that's a street bike, right? That is the first time I understood long rides are not so easy. It takes a lot of practice. Okay, we stopped here at this place called Amazon's Kitchen. Every time we go from Hyderabad to Bengaluru, this is the place we stop at. Good thing is you get some amazing food here. Especially if you come here, try vada. Hopefully we have that, and hopefully they are maintaining the same quality. Let's see. And anyways, in case you're traveling for the first time from Hyderabad to Bengaluru, you can stop at 3-4 places, very good places. Shiva, what is that place name? The first
Hill Park.
Hill Park. I was saying Food Pyramid. Most of the bikers, most of the people who are traveling from Hyderabad to Bengaluru, they stop there. Second place, 97. 97, it seems, I'm not sure, but it is named because it is exactly 97 kilometers from Hyderabad. That is also a very good place. Good thing is you have a fuel bunk attached to it. After that, I think Food Pyramid, around 160 kilometers from Hyderabad. Yeah, these are the 3 most recommended places if you're traveling from Hyderabad to Bengaluru. That's our amazing looking Amazon Kitchen ka dosa, plain dosa with sambar, green chutney, and hey, what is green chutney?
Pudina
Are you sure?
और कोथिमीर.
Okay, we had a quick pit stop here, a random place for a little bit of chai, and oh shit, we missed it, yeah. 5,040 kilometers done. I mean, nowadays I'm okay. I don't want to record milestones and all that. Anyways, there you go, 5,000 kilometer mark on the Emperor. Everything is happening, but one thing is not happening, which is filling air in the bike. Abhi thak almost. See, the warning is still going on, coming. Almost finished 400 kilometers, 380 or something. And abhi tak I did not fill air. I missed like so many puncture shops. And slowly, as you can see, the rush is increasing. We just crossed Anantapur. I think it's gonna take map shows 3 hours 28 minutes or something like that. But I think we should be able to do that in maybe 3 hours. Let's hit it. First time BMW, my BMW 1250 reached Bangalore. చప్పట్లు కొట్టండి చిట్కాలేండి కనీసం. Oh, whistles good, na? Good. So everything we do on this bike will be first time. Will not count it as repetitive. Enka car వస్తుంది చూసి. Yeah, 18. I think this is the last hole, right? Welcome to the city of traffic and welcome to the city of unpredictable climate. I catch a footpath. 1 hour 56 minutes of break Galizga, which is not acceptable. Almost 2 hours of a break. 588 kilometers done. 7 hours 10 minutes of a ride. Range 253 kilometers. Shiva, what is your range? Shiva's range is 70. Shiva, yeah, we reached, yeah, we done. Kashmir ko chesnam. ఇన్ని రోజుల తర్వాత రైడ్ చేస్తే ఫీలింగ్ ఇట్లనే ఉంటుంది. Reached Bangalore. No problems. Safe.
Easy
everything.
peasy.
Very easy peasy. Performed really well. Really well. We have 253 kilometers range left. ఇది ఒకటే I'll keep boasting a lot. డబ్బులు పెట్టినాం కదా మరి. ఏంటింత నల్లగున్నాం ఒక్క రోజుకి ఇట్లా అయితే మచ్చిచ్చి ఫుల్ ట్యాన్ వన్స్ అగైన్ మాల్దీవ్స్ కా ట్యాన్ ఐ ట్రై టు రిమూవ్ విత్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ హార్డ్ వర్క్ ఇట్స్ గాన్ నౌ బై ద టైమ్ వి రీచ్డ్ Bangalore from Hyderabad again this kind of tan look at this year. Hey, actually this camera I'm looking nice only. In my iPhone I was looking so tanned. All this is okay. Today's plan is to chill in Bangalore. What are we planning to do? Evening we thought we'll do something fancy. Okay, Charan wants to do a spa because he missed spa. Actually, even I missed spa in Maldives because the price in Maldives was
ताज लो 5 स्पाल వస్తాయి.
एक Maldives का spa में we would get 5 Taj का spas. Shiva, are you doing it? Shiva is currently naked, so I can't show him. Shiva, ఇవన్నీ okay. I don't need spa from anyone. I say, Shiva, come re, please, పిసుకుఫై నా. పిసుక్కోవడమే కమ్. One of the best experiences you can get is from Shiva's massage. It feels so good because you know people give a massage bahar, which is like just pressing like that, but Shiva does something like this. That is the best part.
కొంచెం పప్పు కొంచెం చారు
ఇక్కడ కూడా ఫుడ్ ఏనారా? కమ్ బేబీ ప్లీజ్ కమ్ ఫాస్ట్ వచ్చి ఒక చూపు చూడు. దిస్ ఈజ్ మ్యాండేటరీ. యూ హియర్ ద సౌండ్. వెయిట్ ఇంటర్నల్లీ వచ్చింది సౌండ్. ఇట్ డింట్ కమ్ అవుట్. ఎగ్జాస్ట్ నోట్ ఈస్ నాట్ దట్ ఎవిడెంట్. అరే వా నైస్. యాక్చువల్లీ poor guy, he is also tired, but unfortunately
నీకు మసాజ్ చేస్తే టక్ కట్టురా. నేను వీపులు కొంచెం ఇట్లా వెనక్కంటే పటర్
ఇరిగిపోయాడు ఇందాక పిల్లోడు. వెనక్కన్నాడు ఇట్లా పట్ సౌండ్ వచ్చింది. Shiva, you made us get used to this massage. This is the thing. This is the part. This is the best part. No one can give this massage. ఏదో పిసుకుతాడు కానీ బాగా పిసుకుతాడు. By the way, we ordered some food on Swiggy.
వచ్చిందా?
We'll get a call.
Sweet add-on gulab jamun.
Our Swiggy food is here. Peri chicken with corn fried rice, Manchuria with some noodles.
అరే వీటి థాలి చూసా ఎంత ఉందో.
చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉందా రైస్? శివ నీ సైజ్ ఏంటి? కింద గేజ్ ఏంటి? ఇచ్చిన డబ్బా ఏంటి? And we also have double kamita.
That's mine.
And we also have
ప్లేట్ ఇచ్చాడు.
amazing gulab jamun. But this is how we became gulab jamuns, all of us.
Fully packed.
Especially in
Travel
rides,
plate.
we go and we keep ordering stuff like this and Pachadi.
ఇప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ నేను ఉత్తా ఈ అన్నంతో తిన్నాను.
Me and Charan ordered from the Bowl company, but Shiva wanted full-fledged meals. Let's begin.
This is from Priyadarshini restaurant.
Oh yes, such people need promotion. Definitely. Priyadarshini restaurant. Yeshwanthpur. 10 on 10. Gulab jamun. I know I'm putting on a lot of weight, but it's okay. I'm happier this way. Eating all this.
సాయంత్రం జిమ్ కెళ్దాం.
Sayanthram gym కెళ్దాం. We'll go to the gym in the evening. Bikes are pretty safe. You know what? We came here to check the chains. Some people still have chains who are running away. You know what is a chain, Charan? You have to know.
ఈ స్ట్రీట్ వెన్ కొంటా చూడు అవే.
What is street wind? Hey, chain and enti Shiva? What is the chain? The one that hangs, which way you're describing. It keeps hanging like that. You need to put oil on it. Did you put oil?
ఎప్పుడో సార్ నీ షార్ప్ డ్రైవ్ కి లూప్ కొట్టేస్తా
And ఉంటారా loop already?
ఇంకా
It's pre-looped. Charan, it's time. You have to join the club of Shaft.
15 లక్షలు అవసరం మనం వెళ్ళే ఊటీ
ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నాం అది ముఖ్యం కాదు. Are you enjoying it? You will enjoy more if you have.
I'm enjoying 80% of my rides.
You
So
have to
for
enjoy
that
100%. Why are you leaving at 20?
ఆ 20-15 lakhs పెట్టాలా
Maybe you can put 40 lakhs also. You are anyways rich.
You
CEO.
be
Shiva, what's up?
ఊటీ మూడ్
Loving it.
అరే ఇక్కడే కూర్చో
Put your legs down. Difficult.
సైడ్ స్టాండ్ మీద
He can ride. He rode my bike before.
This is for off-road. This
So
is for
his
touring.
naming is bad. It's GS Adventure, but it's GS Touring. This is
Yeah,
GS.
that's correct. Because this is too heavy to take it into off-road. That's what I feel. It is capable and all, but better for touring.
Shanavas was telling me.
Then might be true. So Shiva is, I think, 5'6", 5'8", 5'8". So if you are a 5'8" person, you can easily not easy. Yeah, is it easy for you? You are more comfortable on your side. Yes.
No, both are same. No.
Oh yeah. So it's about the skill. That is the amount of food we had today. And actually, only Shiva had all this.
Only for dinner.
It's only for dinner. Yeah, actually, see any room, पूरा rooms का खाली है, but हमारा room is like next level. There's at least 10,000 rupees worth of food here.
But we got it for 3,000. Swiggy kada. ఇక్కడ ఆర్డర్ ఇస్తే 10,000.
This is standard. This is my jacket wherever I go, and that is Shiva's jacket wherever he goes.
వాడు ఇంకా జిప్పేసుకుని try చేస్తాడు.
Actually, this was fitting in the morning. Now it's not fitting because of our food. There's masala dosa, rava dosa, idli.
First.
Chalo, are we done for the day? We're all chilling with our shorts. That was the plan for tomorrow. We can't tell you how much we laughed today. Like in the last 2 years, 1 year back, we laughed like this, exactly same time. Rishikesh. Like madness. We can't tell you why we laugh so much. It's very embarrassing to tell you, but I just want to mention it. So plan is to leave tomorrow by 6 a.m., 7 a.m. But let's see how it goes. Positively, we'll leave by 8 o'clock. We're planning to go to Ooty. We should be taking us 6 hours, 6 to 7 hours max, including breaks and all that. It's cheap, 280 kilometers it seems. But yeah, I'm really excited to ride through Nilgiris with the BMW for the first time. And also we realized one more thing. There are 3 BMWs for the first time. 335 kilometers it seems, confirmed. Previously, remember, we all had Triumphs. Street Twin, T120, Tiger, the dark horse. Now 3 of us have a BMW. So then I think I'm ending the vlog here. Hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe. And we'll all see you guys tomorrow with the same clothes. Happy New Year. Oh yeah, we're gonna have New Year somewhere else. And last time me and Shiva were looking at each other in Uttarakhand, 1 degree temperature.